Good evening mga kachings, another blessings. So today I want to share with you one of our cake last January 2026. So karon pa na to ginahinay upload ato mga January cake is the small one which is the size is 7x4 and this is the crown sim cake. I'm using icing smoother sa paggamit natog linya. So for to make it sure atong linya insakto ang dimension. So naghimo tag line sa top ato lang gibutang mga dot-daan and to the bottom. Para sayon ra nato islant ang ato ang diamond design. And for the bottom of the cake naghimo sa tagagmeng lingin which is made of fondant in between sa atong diamond design. Ipamutang na to nga edible ridges which is pearl. Edible pearl ridges ang atong gigamit. And the crown which is printable, nana diya ang name. So this is a very simple but beautiful crown, same cake. I would like to thank to Ma'am Imager for this order and to all mga kasuki and to all mga kachings. Thank you for watching and God bless.